Hi guys, so taking a brief break from eucalypts, I wanted to show you some of the gorgeous Banksias here at UC Santa Cruz Arboretum. It's not the most commonly grown species outside of this part of the country because they don't, well, on the high level, although some species do better, they like free draining soil and they don't really like humidity very well. So that does kind of limit their growth areas, but nonetheless it's a really gorgeous species if you can have it if sorry, if you can grow it. So this is how usually the flower buds look like. They always grow in this huge cluster um, of flowers. You can see some orange ones over there that I'll walk to later, but after they flower they will produce this woody capsule that some of it will hold its seed for a very long time until fire to crack them open, and some other species open them after some time. So this one is, I think, Banksia speciosa. Um, yep, it is Banksia speciosa. I think speciosa means beautiful or something. Um, Again, I don't really see how this one is more beautiful than the others, but yeah. Let me see if I can get you a shot of the speciosa flower in bloom. The one over there is in bloom. Yeah, so that's speciosa. The one in the back here have more linear leaves. Um, I don't know. I think it may be erisifolia, but let me see. Sorry, it's spinulosa. Yes. I'm sorry. So spinulosa has, you know, more skinnier, linear leaves, and some of the shorter cultivars actually are very popular. Like I think the birthday candles, they are really popular and yeah, really niche species as well. And moving away from these two, and the orange one over there. Um, so hopefully I'm not getting you nauseated. This is another Banksia. Um, this is another Banksia. It's a shame that this one isn't in flower. I really like the flower of that one. Let me see what species this one is. This is an Ashbei. Yeah, so this is Banksia Ashbei, and the flower are different color, I guess. So it's also really nice. And I think this is another Spinulosa cultivar. Yeah, this is the Spinulosa dwarf hairpin. Sorry, the snapper point. Yeah, it's the hairpin Banksia is just a common name for Spinulosa, and dwarf meaning it's dwarf compared to the Spinulosa we saw earlier back there. And moving on, I think this is Banksia grandis. I'm almost positive of it. This is one of the few Banksias I know. Yeah, it's a Banksia grandis, common name Bull Banksia. It has really long inflorescence, like this whole thing is the inflorescence. Got some pollen on my hands, and let me see if I can find any seed cones. Not so. Yeah, all like every single one of them is a flower, and not all of them will set seed. And for example, we see here, all those little mouse-looking thing are the fruits from each flower. So you see, with all these flowers, probably just a really small portion of them actually set seed, and this one they are open. I don't know if this one needs fire to open it, but probably not. Given I see quite a few open, and within each of the of the of the fruit, you can actually get, I think, two. I might be wrong. Seeds coming out of it. The seeds are pretty long-lived. But they also germinate quite slowly, and Banksia as a whole grows really relatively slowly when they're young. I think Integrifolia is an exception, but yeah, most of them don't really grow fast. What did I want to say? Banksia. Yeah, I guess that's really it. And let me just show you a bit more. I'm sorry this video is running a bit long, but they have quite a collection of them. Oh, this is just another Grandis. Grandis, I think it's a small-ish tree. Grows really nicely. I love it. There's also Banksia over there. Oh, this is also another Banksia. I don't really know the species of this one. Maybe it's also Grandis. Yep, it's also another Grandis. Yeah, so here you have it, different kinds of Banksias. I've always found them fascinating before. They're just so cool, and all those little openings on their fruit, just like little mouths, and they're just trying to tell us a story. So Banksias, great species. And oh, I remember what I was gonna say. So it's in the Proteaceae family, and a lot of the species in the Proteaceae family actually will suffer from phosphorus poison toxicity, meaning that they are native to this area that's really low natural in phosphorus, and they've evolved mechanisms to efficiently extract phosphorus from the soil. So growing them in phosphor-rich soil actually sometimes will poison them, and just be careful if you want to grow some Banksias. Make sure you have the right species, and make sure you have the right soil drainage, and also make sure that different minerals, especially phosphorus and iron, are the right balance for Banksias. Yeah, hope you enjoyed them. I'll see you next time.